Hello, my dear fellow doll collectors. I'd like to introduce you something that's very useful when you love to do your own designs for your fashion dolls. I saw it in the last weeks and now I'd like to introduce it to you. You know, when I started doing designs for Francie, I had literally no book. I had to teach myself everything. In the last weeks we got this book, and now let's have a quick review into the book. I learned about it in the Barbie sewing club on Facebook. I'm a member and I saw it and I bought it from the US. It lasted 2 weeks. Let me know, have you ordered from Amazon overseas when you live in Europe? Until it was here, and now it is, and I was surprised about the variety of posts and projects that you have. You learn to do your own ironing board, sewing materials, everything you need. It's always a step-by-step instruction, which I really love. You see here lots of different stories. It's always a bit story included among a lot of photos, different projects. Have you tried to do your own Barbie underwear yet? Really great, an inspiration for me for the future. You also learn to do underwear, very interesting because that's one of the harder parts. Suit and other nice things your dolls can always use, and how to hand finish. A lot of useful information, always combined with a lot of photos and stories. That's very nice. You also get the patterns. Great idea. You already see how to enlarge it or not. Do you have any pattern making books? How much? It's from the size itself. And yeah, I think that's a great addition to any book collection that you have for doing your own doll designs. I will adjust the patterns for my Francie here, of course, because she's the main doll I design for at the moment. But I will also try the Barbie designs here from the book. They fit for Barbie in a 1-to-1 ratio, so you don't have to adjust anything. What I like about this book is that it's more precise than this one. This is a Japanese book, which is also a good book, but it's not for Barbie directly and you have to adjust it. You don't have a picture for every step, and sometimes the translation is not super helpful. If I had the chance to choose one of them, I would buy this one and this not. But you learn from your purchases and you don't know what's in there. You know, when I started doing this, I used human sewing books, pattern making books, where you learn actually how to do it for humans and then you have to adjust it for the dolls. It's also okay, I would say it's not bad, because you learn it from the very beginning, but I think when I would start again, I would buy this here, because it's easier to don't have to worry about so much things that you learn in this book. It's very comprehensive and you learn a lot of things, but some of the things you learn here, you don't need them for the dolls. And so I would say, if you have the chance, buy this. That's my recommendation. I hope this first view into the book was helpful to you. Maybe you intend to buy it, maybe not. Let me know in the comments what you plan to do. I'm super curious about your reactions. So, I hope you have a great day. See you very soon. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye.